Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you wanted to take a break from Facebook, you're in there and you just wanted to take a break, I'm going to walk you through this step to do so. Keep in mind they'll keep all of your information there whenever you do decide to log back in and restore your account. So let's hop into Facebook. Here we'll tap on menu at the bottom right and then the gear icon at the top right. Now keep in mind Facebook constantly changes where they put the deactivate button over here. So I'm not going to walk you through the steps on how to find it in this menu. The key thing is this will always work if you just search for it. So let's tap on the search icon at the top right. And then we're gonna search for deactivate and hit done. Now the very first option, we'll tap on personal details here. And it will immediately take you to the place where you can deactivate your account. So at the very bottom here, it says manage your data, deactivate or delete your account. So let's tap on that. Now let's tap on deactivate and we're going to choose our Facebook account. On here it gives you two different options. One is to temporarily deactivate it. The first one, that's what we want. So I'll hit continue and it's going to ask me to enter in my password yet again. So I'm going to enter in my password or use my Face ID and hit continue. Now it doesn't really matter what you choose here. Just choose whatever and then hit continue. And it will walk you through exactly what this will do. It says take a break from Facebook. Do you want to log out instead? Do you want to save your posts? And it says automatically reactivate my account. And you want to tap on that depending if you do want to do this. You can choose a certain amount of days, but I recommend just hit don't reactivate automatically. That gives you the ability to choose proactively when you do want to reactivate it and hit done. And then let's hit continue. And at the very bottom, you can hit deactivate my account. That will deactivate your account. Keep in mind it's really easy to get back. All you need to do is just to go back to Facebook, the app website, whatever it may be. Just log back into your account and that will reactivate it. It will be as if you never left. Now if you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.